Saudi-led forces launched overnight airstrikes on the Yemeni capital as the United Nations struggled to implement a peace deal. The attack came after a breakdown in negotiations between ousted Saudi-backed Yemeni officials and the Houthi authorities who control the capital. The two sides failed to reach an agreement on a swap of prisoners of war. The Saudi-led grouping that has waged a 4-year war in Yemen says its warplanes attacked 7 military facilities in the capital of Sana'a, which it claims are used for drone operations.